I'm Paul from Australia and I'm 70 years old, retired. I'd like to tell you a little bit why I came to Rajan Chennai as my choice for correcting my teeth. When I was about 63 years old, I had some major dentistry done to improve the smile. I needed a confident smile because of the business I had, was liaising with the public and doctors. So this dentist told me he could give me a perfect smile. Wow, that'd be great. Anyway, as a result of that dentistry, 2 years later, I lost all of my top teeth. He'd given no consideration to certain things, so the downfall was I lost my teeth. I couldn't keep a denture in because of the compromising of the bone, and it also appeared that the work done on the bottom, those two teeth were heading for the tooth fairy in the sky. So where do I find a really great dentist? I decided to consult Mrs. Google. I'm sure she's female because she multitasks, and researched the world for great techniques, great dentists, what could be done for me. And I discovered the zygoma and the all-on-fours, and the Malo system was a brilliant protocol developed, and I eventually came to choose Rajan Dental in Chennai for various reasons. They ticked lots of boxes. One was that wonderful English and stepping through all the procedures that may need to be done. The costs were within my budget, which was very important for this little old lady. And so eventually I embarked on the journey to Chennai. A little daunting, but nevertheless I came. It was the best thing that I did, looking back. It was the best decision I made. As soon as I walked into the clinic, it was like just being with some friends. I was part of that team as their patient, but also part of the team. The doctors were wonderful, the techs were wonderful, the radiographers, the nurses, everyone was just so wonderful. And the communication was absolutely wonderful as well. So I was feeling very confident. When I met Dr. Ganeshan Rajan himself, who was going to be performing the surgery, any apprehensions that I may have had were immediately dispelled. Not just because he was immaculate and articulate, he commanded attention, but his charisma was obviously, through his knowledge and skill of what he did in his chosen path of maxillofacial dentistry, I felt really confident. So off I went for the surgery. It was surgery, so you can't deny that there's some discomfort. However, the care that I had was amazing. The results at the end of the day, the healing was very quick, and I couldn't believe the thing that struck me about Rajan Dental was basically the wonderful ethos in the whole place. Everyone, right from the doctors I mentioned, the nurses, the front staff, the driveway attendant and the elevator man to the hospital, they were all wonderful. Dr. Rajan should be very proud of what he's created here, and he's taught his skills, or they've gone to the training schools, and they've just learnt so much. I'm very grateful. This is one happy patient. And I would like to say, if ever there was an Olympics for dentistry, my money would be on Rajan Dental in Chennai, because they've been absolutely marvellous. So I could encourage anyone, if they would like to have some dentistry done of a major type, or even you see little children here that may just have toothache, but it's a great place to come. So with that said, I'm looking really forward to the end of the year to get my final stage. So these all-on-fours and zygoma implants, when they're settled down, I'll get the top teeth on top of them. In the meantime, I'm quite happy with how I'm going home.